12th month of Islamic lunar calendar has just started, and it is the time for final Hajj rites that Saudi Arabia has harnessed and mobilized all resources to ensure the success of this year's Hajj, training over 2,500 trainees for about 150,000 workers and leaders of pilgrim groups conducted in multiple languages. Saudi's Minister of Hajj and Umrah, Tawfiq Al-Rabia, highlighted efforts made by the custodian of the Holy Mosque, King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, to ensure pilgrims perform their rituals with ease, while emphasizing the need for pilgrims to comply with Hajj regulations. We launched an international campaign to raise awareness about the dangers of violating Hajj regulations. Practices. This campaign spans more than 20 countries globally. Meanwhile, the National Hajj Commission of Nigeria, NAHCO, says pilgrims are observing their rituals comfortably without
doing our best. Inshallah, we are also getting cooperation from the Saudi authorities. And so far, we have also been getting cooperation with the pilgrims. So that is what makes our works very smooth and seamless.
Approximately 1.2 million pilgrims from various countries around the world are performing this year's Hajj, including about 65,000 Nigerians. Saudi Arabia's long-standing commitment to serve the guests of Allah.